Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Wave 300 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all you have to remove them from the case. And you have to just take a look on these two indicators that you can find in this place. If they are not start blinking quickly on the blue after like 5 seconds, it means that we have to enable this pairing mode manually. As you can see, in my case everything is fine and they are in the pairing mode, as you can see. But if they are not blinking, in your case, you have to just make something like that. Take a look. Right here you can find the touch control panel and you have to tap on it once and then click and hold for 5 seconds. So that's how we can activate the pairing mode. Click once and then click and hold for 5 seconds. And then release, and they will be in the pairing mode. So you have to open the Bluetooth settings right now on your Android phone, click to pair new device, and as you can see the JBL Wave 300 appears on the screen. So you have to just click once, accept the pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. As you can see, that was very simple. So one more time. If the pairing mode is not available after you removing them from the case, you have to move these earbuds to the pairing mode manually by using this touch control panel. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.